So today, we're doing crazy masks.
So listen, you guys know how much we love skincare, and we have a few masks that we've been dying to try. Alrighty, so I'm using the Nug mask, and you gotta like mix this mask. So I have a little glass of water right here because I'm not exactly sure how much you need, but I do know you can get 2 applications out of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing this.
True story featuring you.
Basically, you just get like a little packet. It comes with a little measuring cup, and then it comes with a little mixing stick, and then the directions. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my portion.
Yeah, and we have a full Instagram video that I did solo since she got played. So this one is the E.L.F. Beauty Shield Recharging Magnetic Kit, which I'm pretty sure you can get like from Target and all over the place now. So I opened the box already to see kind of like what was inside.
So there's enough for 2 uses for this mask, and we just mixed both of the...
This is where we got played.
We basically mixed the entire packet, and Haley went, and by the time Haley was done, the mask was already dried up, so I wasn't able to apply. Set. So I'm like, I'm gonna...
So you gotta move quickly here. So after you get it mixed, you just gotta go in with it.
A little mirror right here.
So we both have like little makeup brushes here. Both of our skin is clean, so we're just gonna go in and start applying them. This is an interesting texture.
This is like a really super thick, it almost feels like what is the word I want to use? Like a, not a gel, but like a,
this is
a putty.
Weird.
This one definitely feels like a putty. All right, so I think I'm good. I slathered the heck out of myself out
You
with
are
this,
good, girl.
and it says to leave on for 15 minutes, and then we'll see. So,
I feel like I'm starting to feel it tingle.
Wait, did yours say to leave it on?
Yeah, it says leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and then cover the magnetic tool and then take the mask off with it.
Alrighty, so we'll be back in like 10-ish.
All right, we are back. It's been like 15 minutes, I want to say.
Yeah, I can't really I can't talk because like I'm already starting to feel it like kind of come around my lip area a little bit.
Okay, so how are you feeling? You're feeling dry?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling just about there, but I'm so intrigued. I want to see this magic happen right now.
I don't feel dry at all. Like I know that I'm ready because it's been about 15, almost 20 minutes, but to me, like it doesn't feel dry. It still feels really wet. So
it looks wet still too.
I think that's like how it should be. I'm hoping.
Okay, do it. Go. Try it.
All right. So just so we don't get too progressive here and get distracted, I'm gonna start going and seeing how this works before she starts taking off her mask.
I'm so excited.
Okay, let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes.
That was like magic.
Okay, it literally just that was like a vortex. I didn't even barely get
That was a literal magnet.
Okay, ready?
Literal magnet.
Oh my god, the feeling is insane, you guys.
Wow.
Oh my god, are you seeing this?
You could hear it like
ready?
Do you hear that? Oh my gosh. Wait, let's get an up close shot. Oh my gosh.
Did you see that? Oh my gosh.
That is so cool. Literally the craziest thing I've ever seen. Like, I can't wait to try it.
Oh my god.
Let's see. Oh my god.
Okay, how is
oh my gosh, like look, it's seriously just like...
No, see the coolest thing about this mask
just comes right
is that
off.
It's not like a typical peel mask where it hurts so bad and you want to cry and it waters and you're not ready for it and then you're like, did that even really take out anything from my skin?
Oh my gosh, I feel like you can see my impurities on there, like legitimately.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Okay, let's get an up close shot of this one too.
Whoa. Whoa.
It's so cool that this mask literally just peels right off your skin and just like...
One of the coolest thing about this mask too, other than the fact like, I mean everything, you know? It's really cool because I feel like for clay masks and just kind of some masks in general, it's kind of like super hard to get off and you kind of don't want to deal with the whole situation. But I feel like this makes it easier and just funner in general. So I feel like this is so easy. Like it just gets it all off and swoop, swoop, boom, 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 boom.
Boom, boom,
And it's
boom.
off on this thing, and then like there's like a little bit left, but I do.
You left your washcloth.
My warm washcloth.
So we each just have little warm washcloths, so we're just gonna take off the little remaining edges of our mask.
Remnants.
All right, so we both have our masks completely off, and my
Oh
skin.
my god.
I remember too when you did this mask, how soft your skin felt, and it's just literally like,
It looks really good too.
it almost like takes off just like that complete layer of just like get off my face, and it's just, it's so soft.
Honestly, I really am not kidding. I feel like this is one of the softest my faces have ever been.
Your face looks fantastic.
It feels so good. Ah! Let's touch it. Ah! No, it's just wet.
It's just the mask.
It's just the mask.
Freaky. So yeah, I feel like I really love this. Haley, like I said, it's tried it before and she loved it, but the Nug Mermaid Marine Peel Off Mask,
Amazing.
love it. It made
I
my
felt
fin feel?
Made my feel.
Oh my god, pun intended! That's great, I didn't even realize that. But yeah, it's fantastic and you get 2 uses out of it. It's fun, it's like a little science project experiment. I love mixing it.
Your
so
skin looks great.
yeah, it feels great, so
This
love
one
it.
was amazing. It pulled out all my impurities while still leaving me really hydrated. So I would say 10 out of 10 on that one. Plus it was fun.
Yeah, it's E.L.F.
Both of
so
them
it's
were
like,
fun.
heck yeah. So we're gonna try one more really cool sheet mask.
Hello.
Neither of us have tried these. We've never even opened them, but they're the Pure Quick Pro masks. They're sheet masks, so.
And they claim to be holographic.
Yeah, so like, are they actually holographic? I don't know, but they're supposed to instantly hydrate, refresh, brighten the appearance of your complexion.
Which I'm pretty sure we all need in this world.
Yeah.
And this is something that's really good to do like after this kind of mask, because it's like a really detoxifying mask, so this is gonna hydrate us now.
Yeah,
Like
and-
girl needs hydration.
And we have used a lot of Pure skincare, and we love their skincare. We actually need to get our hands on some more Pure Skin. But it's 2 pieces, right? So it comes in 2 pieces. So like half top of your face, bottom of your face.
Wait, does it matter which side? Is there sides? Do we pick? Yeah. Okay, look. There's like a less mermaid-looking side and a more mermaid-looking side.
So which side goes on your face?
I'm assuming the less, so you look cooler on the outside.
All right, here we go.
All right, top piece. Get on my face. Oh, it's cold.
Like a crocodile lizard.
Oh, this is chic.
It's like more proportional. Look how cool it is. You look like a Tin Man. So this says to leave on for, let's take a look again. I think it says, okay, so leave on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes. What are we gonna do for 20 minutes?
Dance.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so it's been about 15 or so minutes, so I think it's time to take the little sheet mask off.
Mine is actually like coming off on its own. It's kind of starting to dry, so I'm assuming that's kind of like the telltale sign that it's ready.
So, and then whenever I do a sheet mask, I love just to kind of use the extra serum from the mask and just kind of massage it into my skin and down my neck, because like you don't want that to go to waste, you know what I mean?
It feels really good though. It's really hydrating.
I feel like my face feels really
Amazing.
nice.
I feel amazing.
I really like that. I do definitely feel like my face is really hydrated and it just feels really clean, and I feel like it has like a nice tightness to it.
Amazing. I really
So-
like that. It was hollow.
It was hollow. It doesn't look anything hollow.
That's honestly the main thing that I was looking for. So
you guys know how much we love skincare. We actually have a ton of plans to do skincare videos. I think we're gonna do individual skincare routines. What do you guys think about
yeah,
that?
let us know if you guys kind of want to see us doing it together or separate. But I think we're gonna show you each our own routine, and then maybe do like a video together on kind of like how we clear our skin and how we get glowing, beautiful skin.
Especially now that it's like the spring, summertime, we're gonna be
Yes.
outside more, you're gonna be at the beach, you're gonna have less makeup on, so this is the time where you
Totally.
really wanna focus on your skincare.
Oh, also, if you want to shop some of these products, we will leave them linked down below for you guys. So check them out because our skin feels 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, you guys.
10 out of 10. See you in our next video. See you in the next video because I gotta go.
So if you guys like seeing skincare videos, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.